No.
So today we're going to talk about including yourself. Would you guys like that? How many of you
Yes.
include yourself in your life?
I would love to.
Okay. So everything that brought up in that, when you destroy and create. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So when there are many people and then you're with them, do you feel good when someone calls out your name or addresses things to you? How do you feel? You feel good? So in our house, so birthdays, right, is something that's really, really funny in my house. Because whenever we go to any birthday party, if there are two kids in the house, what my mom will do is she'll buy two gifts. She will say you shouldn't gift only the person who has the birthday, the other kid will not feel good. So we always, the way whenever we go to a birthday party, we always look at the siblings, and especially when it's one sibling's birthday, the other one will feel completely left out. So my mom used to take, my mom used to say that we never gift only one kid. You have to always gift both of them. So that's where this whole thing of, why should you not gift someone when it's not their birthday? And when you're gifting one person in this, when other people are nearby, why would you not include them? So have you done that when you're in a crowd and there's more than one person? Do you talk to only one person? Or do you like kind of try to include everyone? And they feel good, right? They feel honored when you call them and when you say, hey, will you talk? Even if they do not want to join your conversation, if you talk to them. So, and inclusion is the key. Inclusion is the key to oneness, because the earth has included you, right? She gives you the air. She didn't say, I'll exclude you and not give you air or water. So the earth is including you in everything you do. And you are completely, what you're living is an included life. You're not living alone, because the clothes you wear, who made it for you? Was it you who made it? Someone included you. Someone has made it. The earth has, kind of put in place for this to come to you. So someone has included you when they created this, and they're like, this will go and serve someone else. So they have contributed to you, right? So the house you are in also, it includes you. The house allows you to come in. So everything on earth is looking to include you in. Are you looking to include? Are you looking to allow everything to be in your life, to be included without separation? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and create it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what invention am I using to keep separating myself from the earth am I choosing? Everything that is, will you destroy and create it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Because yesterday I was having a conversation with one of my friends, and she said, I need someone to love me. How many of you have that need?
Me. It's a very big need.
Very big need. Okay. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all the insurance boys and beyonds. What is a small need? Anyway, everything that brought up and let down, now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. I need one person to love me. Now, doesn't the earth love you enough to give you air to breathe, to give you whatever you ask, to set up people to make clothes for you, to set up everything that you get? So you are included. Why do you look at yourself as separate? The earth never stopped gifting you, right? And what you require to be alive is not one more person to love you, is the air you breathe. And the most beautiful sort of love you can ever get is self love, which you can give to yourself. But why do you deny yourself that? Why is it that you need another person to love you for all your flaws, but you keep telling yourself that you're flawed? How many of you do that? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So this word need has to go away from our universe. Are you a needy being or an infinite being? Now, an infinite being can be needy. You're allowed to be that, but you're an infinite being. But would you stop being needy and choose something else? Would you? Would you appreciate? Would you appreciate and include yourself in your life? When you judge yourself, you're separating a part of you from you. You're separating a lot of you from you. And when you function that way, you're not going to create your best. And when you function from need, what will you pull into your universe? When you function from lack, you'll pull more need, more lack, and you will never get that. What is it? What have you decided that you need so desperately? Everything that is, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. What have you decided that you need and the universe is denying you? Everything that is, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So what can you be or do different to include all parts of yourself in your life? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Because the magic is in inclusion. It's the magic is in, the magic of earth is in, you breathe in the wind, you look at the beautiful trees. So you're including everything that earth has to offer you. You enjoy your house, you enjoy the clothes that someone else has put up for you. So you're including everything. And then you include the, here's where it's get tricky. Would you like to include the judgment too? Okay, Jasmine is trying to say yes, but it's a no. And would you like to include all the judgment too? Everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. I cannot exclude the judgment and get away with it. That's the funny part, because everything comes together, right? But if I include the judgment, and including actually means when you include something, it means you're an allowance of it. When you include, even if I have a little pain in my body, let me not separate from it and say I have pain, I don't like this pain. Okay, let me include it. And okay, how do I change this? So I'm aware of it. This is my reality and I'm asking for change. So when I include something, I be an allowance of it. And when you be an allowance, you can change it. So what would it be like for you to include every part of yourself and everything in your life and everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive? That will you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Because when you are this inclusive being of everything, you tap into something of the earth, the contribution that the earth is, that is including everyone. Would you like to function like that? As kind as earth, as big as the universe, or from neediness? What would you like to choose today? So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and girls. By the way, can you guys see my tree? I thought today I will give a view of my tree on the camera. See? And there's one tree down. I thought I'd include my tree in the conversation today. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So what invention am I using and choosing to separate myself from me? Am I choosing? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Would you like to? Now you have to include yourself, okay? Others may not include you. So let's learn this art. And this art we can learn from animals. So my pet dog, I wanted to bring him for today's call. Let me go get him. My dog, Sparky, that day what we were doing is he was sitting, and then me and my son and one of my friends, we were like looking at my son's dress. He was wearing something. So we're like, okay, we were touching, okay, what's this? What's happening? And then Sparky looked at us and then he got up and he's like, the party is there, they're doing something. And then he came and barged in. So he included himself. So you see the places where you feel that something is happening. Would you like to go include yourself? Have you done that? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Yeah. So what can I be to allow myself to be included in the places where I would like to create greater? Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive, that will you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. And it was so amazing to see how he was sitting alone and we were all doing something. So he's like, something is happening there. And then he got up and he's just barged in and he's like, me coming in. Now, what happens is when you see something, you're like, they didn't invite me. I should not go there. That's not my party. What will happen if I go there? But what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can you be to include yourself in everything that will create greater for you? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive, that will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. I'm sure all of you would have created a lot of magical things in your life, amazing stuff. Yeah, but you're still like, there is one person not there to love me. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So why do we still hold on? Why do you not? Because the magic is not in creating the miracles. You are the miracle. Right? And when you function like that, everything is magical. So you include everything in life. You live
We
life.
were all given, एक फ्रेज बताया जाता था हमें बचपन से, हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, किसी को जमीन, किसी को आसमान नहीं मिलता, एंड दैट बुलशिट क्रैप आई डिस्ट्रॉय एंड क्रिएट. मुझे तो मुकम्मल जहां भी मिलेगा और सब कुछ मिलेगा.
हाँ, सब कुछ.
मतलब this was the crap I really recall since I started this thing, कि मतलब हर किसी को एक अधूरे सपने की वो जो ख्वाहिश होती है वो बहुत अच्छी होती है. नहीं 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 नहीं, कुछ अच्छी नहीं होती है. Thank you. It's really
So what can
eye-opening thing.
Include all the crap in such a way that it transforms into something else. Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive, that will you destroy it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, men. So let me not resist the crap. Let me include it. Okay, this has come up. How do I change this? When you resist something, you're separating from it. When you're separating, it will chase you. You're like holding on to it. So what invention am I using to separate myself from me? Am I choosing? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, men. How many of you include money in your life and actually use it? Or how many of you go like, I don't have enough, or this I have to hold on to, I should save. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, men. Including something is it's seamlessly part of your life. And it's available to you as and when you require, in ways that you would like. So it just gives you choice. But when you separate from money, you're going to say, I can't spend this, I can't use this. This is, if I lose it, I will never get it back. Is that inclusion? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, men. Do you guys worry that if I breathe the air, I will not get it back? I hope no one does, right? Yeah. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy it and create it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, men. Because we know it's available in abundance. This is the same thing with money. So include money in your life. Do not like look at it as something separate. It is you. Include good luck in your life. Who's the good luck? It is you. And for all of this, what's the first thing we should include in our life? Ourselves. So every choice you make, do you include yourself or do you make it for others? So what, and this is not selfish. Including yourself is not selfish. It is not judgmental. It is just taking care of you and also contributing to others, right? Because when you are happy is when you can even help someone else. Otherwise, what are you contributing? And when you're unhappy and you contribute, that doesn't go as a full contribution. Your unhappiness carries over to whatever you give the other person. Would you like the shirt you wore to have been made by someone who is so unhappy? No, you would like to receive things from people who are really happy. When someone gifts you, right? Not when someone is like, oh my God, I worked so hard, I killed myself to make this, now I'm giving this to this person. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense, right? But when you gift it with your happiness, it's different, right? So what can you be or do different to include yourself in the choices that you make, and everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what invention are you using and choosing to not include yourself in your life? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So everywhere you're separating from yourself and rejecting yourself, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Would you like to include others? If you host a party, do you like it if someone is like unhappy, or do you like, come, I'm the host, so let me include you. Let me help you out. Let me do this for you. You like to include others? Yeah. So why would you not include yourself? Why would you not include yourself in your life? So something is happening. I have all these things happening around me. What choice can I make here that will include me also? Make a present choice. Be present and make a choice that includes you. And when you include yourself, you're automatically including others, because when you are so happy, you're not going to exclude someone, right? You're going to notice that this person requires something. Let me go talk to them. But when you are unhappy, will you notice that someone is not included? No. So would you like to give that, the need to be loved? Now you cannot fulfill anyone's need, okay? Need is a lie. So no one can fulfill your need, not even you, because it is a big lie. But when someone feels that they have a need, can you be there for them? Can you be there for them for those moments? And invite them to change, invite them to include themselves. Whether they choose it or not is different. They might choose it for the 10 minutes when you converse with them and they're like, yeah, I'm going to take care of myself. Yeah, I promise. And then after 2 days, they call you again and say, I don't like myself at all. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy it and create it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So what do you love about holding on to your needs without going beyond them? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. But at least for that moment, would you like to include someone just the way the universe includes you? Do you know that the universe includes everyone and it's answering to everyone? How beautiful it is. It's not excluding anyone's ask. It is not excluding even one of your thought. It includes damn every of your thought. And that's sometimes the problem, because when you don't think right, every thought of yours is included in what the universe is going to give to you. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Yes, Shika, you have a question.
Hi, Nitya.
Hello.
Nitya, like it's this time of the year where I feel so much under the weather. I mean,
New Year.
New Year. Yeah. I mean, with everyone partying around, I just want to go hide in my shell and just like I don't want to be seen. I just don't want anything to do with anybody. And like around, I have people who've been falling sick and I've been in allowance of that. But then, there's this discomfort which I feel in my body. And and then with the hike in the cases around, now my parents, they've gotten all suspicious and then all cautious. And now they are like, you know what, just stay around, stick around, don't go out as much, or don't do things that you want, like stick for a while. And that is just not fun. I'm not quite enjoying that anymore. So
Okay.
can you suggest something?
What is your question here?
So my question is I'm not, I feel that I'm not being able to do things which would bring me joy because of, everything around, and it's like, it's not fun for me. Where do I start? What do I do?
So everywhere you've decided that you cannot start and life is not fun for you, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So what can you be to include everything that's happening into your life and change it? Receive everything that's happening in your life and change it. Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right,
Yes.
wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. The minute you say, I feel, you're actually gone. Feelings make you finite. Infinite beings do not function from feeling. So I perceive this. How do I change it? How do I make my life better? Keep asking questions. Any conclusion will pull you down. So what can we be or do different to go beyond every judgment and every conclusion that will limit me? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive, that will you destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pork, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And when you're present, you will not be unhappy, or you won't get bored, or you don't allow the situation to bring you down. Because the air you breathe is the most beautiful thing. How many recycles that does that go through to come all over the planet? And from where does it come? And it's there everywhere, whether you cut trees or not, there's still a lot of air. So there is some magic in the air itself, and you're connected to the air. There is some magic to life. Life itself is the magic. You yourself are the miracle. If you look at yourself like that, and look at yourself through the way the earth looks at you or the universe looks at you, because for all the stupid things you do, the universe still is giving you whatever you desire. The earth is still providing you air. So the earth must truly love you, mustn't she? Otherwise,
Yeah.
for what would she keep a species who is like torturing her or doing all sorts of nonsense? And earth is so powerful, right? It's like we're like fleas on the dog. So if earth is the dog and it shakes itself, all of us will fall off. But she doesn't know that. She truly includes us. So when something so big and majestic is in unconditional love with you, for what would you get bored? For what would you complain? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Are you getting the magnitude of who you are and what you can be? I hope all of you get that. So when you know, when you include yourself, when you trust yourself, life will not be boring. Nothing around you can bring you down. I was reading someone had written, so this actor, Samantha, so she got a recent divorce. So she wrote, like, everyone is saying that I don't want to have kids, I'm the bad person, I'm this, but I will not allow anything to break me. It was so amazing to see that. I will not allow anything to break me. So would you like to be like that? Would you like to be like the tree? Can anything break the tree? It's very hard. And even if someone breaks the tree, it grows again, right? It doesn't go like, you broke me, let me stop. So everything that does not allow you to include into yourself the magnificence of what life is and of what the planet has to offer to you, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Shika, I'm not sure if I answered your question or I confused you more, but hopefully I think hopefully you're feeling better.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Awesome. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How do I commit to my life totally? I feel committed to everyone in my family except my life. See, this is why we did this call. Include yourself. What does commitment to life mean? So what have you defined as committing to life is, and that what have you decided that you're not doing? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What invention are you using to exclude your own life and living? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Committing to life is very simple. It's just you be happy, nothing more. Are you happy all the time? That is committing to life, irrespective of what is happening about me. Even if everything is going wrong, I still choose to be happy. Would you like that? Could you be that? And when you choose to be happy, the magic is whatever seems to go wrong will just change. It will just fall in place. So what can I be or do different? And the main problem, the only problem or the problems are judgment from others. They look at you and they're like, you didn't do this. You know, all of us can hear judgments of others. What's the other person thinking about me? And then you want to try to please them. And then in that you exclude yourself. And you never did please them anyway. They still judge you. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what if you do not allow anyone's judgments? And it is fun to know their judgments. Oh my God, this person thinks this of me. Oh my God, this person did this. Isn't it fun? Actually, it's not fun. It's not even comfortable, but let's make it fun. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So what can I be to include all the judgments I perceive and make them fun for me and change that? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Because when you receive a judgment, you're going to make $5,000 more. Gary Douglas has said this. And 5,000 US dollars, not any other dollars. So that's a good amount. Would you like that? So when people judge you, can you go, wow, I'm going to make $5,000? Or will you go, oh no, this person judged me, I have to please this person. Oh no, this person excluded me. Oh no, this person rejected me. What should I do here? So, and then you start crying. This person also doesn't love me. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And except human beings, everything on earth does contribute to you. They do love you. If you go to the trees are not going to say, don't come and touch me, don't come near me. The trees will move the minute you go there. When you go and say hi to a tree, it is amazing to see how they respond. Even if there's no wind, they start dancing. So they do like you. Now, with animals, be a little more careful. Don't go near a tiger and go and say, I'm going to hug you and all. You have to be a little careful. They do like you. They would like to contribute to you, but they also like to eat you. So, you know, it's a difference. You have to be a little present there. But everything on earth, right, is willing to contribute to you if you're willing to receive. So why would you go and look for that one human when there's so many things that is so beautiful? So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And that one human is you. Aren't you there? Aren't you there for you? No. So most people are not there for themselves. When you have your back, that's when you will even know how the universe has your back. If you do not have your back, doesn't matter what the universe does, you will still go like, there's no one for me. The universe did not help me. I mean, the universe is helping you in every way, but when you say the universe does not help me, that's what the universe can do. It cannot help you. So is that what you would like to create, or would you like to receive? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So what invention are you using and choosing to exclude yourself from your life? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And would you like to contribute too? See, the deers or the trees, they don't go like, I'm overgiving. I've contributed a lot, let me stop now. Someone has hurt me, I have to stop now. You just continue contributing all the time. If you are part of this magical planet, aren't you here to contribute too? And in contribution is where you'll receive. Contribution is receiving. So when you choose to contribute to something greater, everything great will happen in your life. Is that simple? So let me not logically think and separate myself and judge myself and do all that. But when you put the energy of happiness and when you include yourself, what happens is you will automatically start receiving. Would you guys like that? Would you guys like to function like that? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And we are infinitely abundant. So just as you get enough air to breathe, everything is provided for you. All of you have enough money, you have houses, you have most of the things you've asked for happens. So why do we focus the energy on separation? And what is the value of that? So whatever value you see in separating yourself from you and making yourself lesser than who you truly are, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So whatever value you see in separating yourself from you, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, so any questions?
Good morning. Can I ask a question?
Yes.
I have purchased your book. This is very
Thank
wonderful
you so
book.
much. Thank you so much.
And I just want to ask that, can you just explain one or two symbols, how to make it? Because I really, I'm literally confused how to use it.
Okay. You just have to draw it on your hand. You have to see the diagram and draw it on your hand.
With the whole fist.
With the whole fist, like that. It's a sun symbol.
Yeah.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it.
And then what you do after that, after drawing it?
You can do anything.
You put hand on the head?
Yes. Wherever you have pain, you can put it. Wherever you want to burn something negative, you can put it. You can draw it on the house. You can keep it on the whole house like that. So it's up to you.
Okay.
And
Fine,
I've
thank
given
you.
which symbol to keep on which chakra and keep for 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Which book is this? Can I ask? I missed that.
Yeah.
This is communion symbols.
Okay. By Nithya only. Okay. So Nithya, is it available on Amazon or do I have to
Yeah,
order?
it is available.
Communion symbols. Okay.
Please
It's
share
called
the
magic.
link on the group, Nitya.
Yeah, please. Nithya, do that.
Even your unearthed the book, the other book also, please.
Okay.
Nithya,
Thank you.
can we have like a call or something on the basis of this? Like, because I remember you've done few calls on the first book also. So wondering if you can do something on this.
I
People
will.
who don't like reading, that's all.
You don't have to read the book. You just have to see the symbols.
No, but okay, just let me know in case it's a possibility of you doing something with us on a Zoom call or something. That's it.
I'll get back to you. Because it's
Because
an
that will be, Nithya, that will be life changing, because you can draw the pattern of life's difficulties, and then use of symbols, it will be magnificent call.
Okay, let's create that. How does it get better? Right, wrong, good,
Thank
bad.
you. Thank you.
Yeah. So there's a separate class on that book. So I will also let you guys know, because that book is like magic beyond anything else. And everything is completely gifted to me by the universe. You will not find this anywhere else on earth as of now.
So it's basically you've channeled all of these symbols. Are these like the light key frequencies that we do?
I have no idea about light key frequencies, but these are earth. It's
Yeah,
like
because what she's saying, no, Nithya, there is a lot of light key language going on. Like 2-3 people have channeled, even light language also. So they have also channeled like you, like you are exclusive. They've also done that. So that's why. And these are symbols, no, so we might relate with. They also have symbols. That's why.
earth includes the darkness. So my symbols are both light and dark. So everything that brought my light out, right, wrong,
Oh my God.
all nine transposed muons. The rain never said, there's a symbol that is the energy of the rain. The rain never said, I will fall on you. I will include everyone wherever I fall, right? So that's the way I look at it. It's like,
Also, Nithya, is there like a protocol for these symbols? As in, there's a timeline,
No.
or there is a all of that we have to follow, like certain rules?
no, because these are earth symbols. They are nature itself. You get nature in your hands. When you draw it, you'll feel the sun in your hand. You'll feel the earth in your hands. So nature does not need anything for you to connect with it. Nothing. They're very simple and very powerful. And there's no attunement required. Literally nothing.
And these symbols are basically for any something to do with the aches and pains into the body, or what? Just give a brief, maybe.
Okay. So let me include my book in this call, right? Wrong, good, bad, what call, and just
Yeah.
it's supposed to be a different call, but
Yeah, Nithya, before you start, you were saying that for the house also we can do. So if you can just let me know which page, because I didn't read the whole book. I just saw the symbols and kept the book back.
okay, I'll do a separate call for that.
Okay. Thanks.
So on the house is just like this, Poonam. You just have to draw the symbol in the room. That's it. If this is the room, you're drawing it on the whole room, and like that.
And Nitya, when we do on our body, we can include the entire of our body.
Yes. You can imagine yourself like this and draw the symbol on top of you. That's possible.
Correct.
Now, yeah, as what these symbols will do is basically it will heal you. The side effect is healing, but it connects you to nature. It makes you present. So imagine if the sun is in your whole hands, what would you do? What can you create? Can you burn something off? Can you heal your pain? Can you cleanse? If you have the whole moon with you, what can you do? So it's like that. So with the earth symbol, you can actually fix weak bones. You can let go of knee pains, but it's much more than just pains. It is something else. You have to experience it. You have to like draw them and feel them, and then you know what it is. And then you can play with them, and you can manifest things with the rainbow symbol. You can make wishes with the star symbol. So many symbols are there, and every symbol has different uses. And if you would like, I'm starting a new shamanic batch on January 21st. So as part of the shamanic batch curriculum, I teach these symbols also. It was initially part of my shamanic classes, and then I evolved it into a different book. So when you come to a class, it'll be much more than what the book has. And yeah, and we can also plan a separate class on communion symbols. So let me get back on that. Okay, yeah.
Nithya, is it in Amazon already, the book?
It is. It's on Amazon.com also now.
Okay, so if I get that book, I mean, it's ebook or that is
right now it's a physical book. Ebook is not available on Amazon. I'll work on that, and otherwise I will just email it to you. I have your number, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you just send me a hi on WhatsApp, I'll figure out how I can get you the ebook.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. How does it get better? So my book.
Nithya, ma'am, sorry.
Yes.
Ma'am, if you want to feel included, but your inhibitions, they only stop you from being included. You have sorry, I'm talking about myself. So if I want to be included at a particular place, but I have very strong inhibitions, how do you get over those?
You just get over it. What is it? What have you got to lose? You have to function as if there's nothing for you to lose. So go include yourself. What's the worst thing? They may reject you. They may say, go away, but you don't reject yourself. And then you come back to the air and the trees that don't reject you.
Right.
Everything that brought up in that will you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong,
Yes.
bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and girls. It's about you not rejecting yourself, irrespective of what the other person says. Because everyone will have thousands of opinions, right? Someone will say you don't look good enough. Someone will say you're not tall enough. Someone will say this, and very few people will like you. And if you don't like yourself, not even one person can like you. That's a different story. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So how much are you choosing to like yourself? Do you look at yourself and say, I like myself, I love my body, I would like to change? Or do you go and say, I'm so ugly and I'm not able to change, and when will I change? So everything that brought up and read down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Are emotions good or bad? Depends on what judgment you put on them. Like happiness and all are like very helpful to the body, but anger, sadness, they don't help you. So it depends on what kind of energy you put onto your emotions. So everything that brought up in letter, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, poisonous. But infinite beings do not function from emotions. If you are functioning from emotions, you're making yourself much lesser than who you are. You're not including every part of yourself in your life. You have made yourself something that is much lesser. Would all of you not like to be as great as you are? Would you like to function that way? And that's what we're talking
Yes.
about, way of being.
But Nithya, I'm very emotional person.
You are.
I'm very emotional person. So, and I see that as a wrongness because it has hurt me so much. So now I really get confused here. Emotions are very lower harmonics, they say. Hello?
Yes,
Yeah.
but infinite being will include that. They don't judge themselves for what they function as.
Okay.
It's okay if you get angry once, it's okay. You don't judge yourself for doing that. That's when you can go beyond. You have to include that and see, how do I change it? If you keep saying, I'm wrong for being emotional, I'm wrong for being emotional, you will be stuck into more emotions and you're not going to feel good also. So you don't go down with including something, is looking at it and changing it if it doesn't work for you, but not judging it and going into like, I'm wrong. So all of you who make yourselves wrong for everything, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. No, we include all the emotions, but we don't judge ourselves for it. We include negative emotions. I look at it. I have this emotion. How do I change it? But if you separate from it and say, this emotion is wrong, I'll never look at it, I should not be there, I should have not done it, then you're separating a part of you out of it. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about being okay with every part of you, being okay with your darkness, right? Earth is a planet of light and dark. There is sun, and then there is, the moon doesn't have its own light. There is sun, and then the sun sets. So it is a planet of light and dark intensity. So let me include everything. Let me enjoy the night as much as I enjoy the day. The earth never said like, when the light is there, you guys are good, you enjoy the day. In the night, you have to suffer because it's dark. Nothing like that, right? Everything is included. So how do you enjoy night? How do you enjoy day? How do you enjoy light? How do you enjoy dark? And when you enjoy your own darkness, that is when you can change it. When you go and say, okay, this, I am angry for this reason, I will change it. It's very different. It's not like you will get into the anger and do more of anger. Does it make sense? So everything that brought up and led down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, any more questions? I will take one or two more questions. So what can we be or do different to include ourselves in our life? Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what can you be or do different to include yourself in your life? Everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. How many lifetimes of exclusion and separation have you lived? Everything that is will you now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Everywhere you've separated your body and excluded your body from your life, will you now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Every time you judge your body, you're not allowing it. You're trying to separate it. You're trying to say, go away from me. And the only way it can do it, go away from you, is by creating disease. So would you like to include your body and be healthy? Because you require your body to be on earth. In case you guys don't know, earth is not so fun if you don't have a body. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So would you include your body? Would you ask your body? Would you include your body in your choices? Don't just choose, I would do this. Body, would you like to do this? Body, what do you say? And your body always listens to you. So you can go against your body, but would you like to include it? Or would you like to tell your body, see, I still would like to choose this, but can you help me with it? And it will help you. So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So anything else?
Nitya, if sometimes, the twitchingness of the eye, that, I poke and pod it, but it comes again and again. Body is giving awareness. So what I'm not perceiving, or I'm not knowing yet what is behind the twitching of this here, eyebrows,
You don't have to know what it is. You have to say, you can say, body, tell me in a way that I get it and show me how to let it go. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. If you don't, if you keep saying, I'm not getting it, you will not get it. So body, show me in a way that I get it. And even better, how do we let it go? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, I go feed street dogs, but I come back home and crying at night, thinking of ways to feed them enough. So if you cry, they're not going to, I was just talking about it before you joined, I think. When you cry and you feel bad when you give the dogs food, you're not giving them. You're giving them the energy of also you will not get enough. And that will become true for them. So don't add that energy. Be so grateful when you can feed someone who's hungry. And focus on, I'm so grateful that I'm able to do this. And I'm so grateful. I mean, the earth is a planet of abundance. All the species will have enough food. Everyone will. The dogs know how to take care of themselves. They know where to go, what to do, how to get the food. No one is going to stop them. They don't stop themselves like us. So you don't have to feel bad for them. Just be so grateful that those such loyal beings who actually can put up with human beings, dogs, just be grateful for who they are. And that energy will make sure Earth will provide for them. We don't have to provide anything to anyone. Earth will take care of everyone. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. But if you fuel the earth with gratitude, right, so that she can take care of everyone, what you can do from your side is just fuel the earth with gratitude, with kindness, with happiness. And then we allow her to thrive more and all the species to thrive. And when every species thrive, we shall also thrive. So that's how the earth is. It includes every species. Killing one species or being cruel to one species is actually being extremely cruel to yourself, which is what humans are not understanding. But when all of us are included, like one species thrives on the others, right? We thrive on the trees. Without the trees, we don't get this much air. So literally the trees are taking care of us.
And what about the person who are non-veg?
Persons who are non-veg?
Yeah, I mean like killing the chicken, or to consume the food. Is it, to be in gratitude, or to, how to do that about it? I mean, it's in the food wise, I mean, in the food eating wise, is it only healthy, like we can eat only vegetarian, or a person who is like to eat that non-veg, then how to be in a gratitude, like just now you said not to kill anything, so how it works?
Did I say not to kill anything?
Sorry.
Did I say it not to kill anything? I don't think I said that. See, those animals are willing to contribute their life for you. Everything is a contribution. So the deer is willing to die for the lion to thrive. So when you honor the animal for what's giving you and you're eating it, it's different. But if you kill the animals just for the sake of killing it, and you can actually ask the animal which one would like to contribute to your body today.
Okay.
It's very different. And initially they used to take really good care of chickens. They used to feed them really well. And when the chicken was mature enough, that's when they will eat them. Nowadays, the way they treat them is very, very different. So if you take care of the animal, honor it, it is willing to contribute its life. All the prey animals, they have come with the whole thing that I will keep the predators alive. And that's why there are more prey animals compared to the predators. So you don't have to have a point of view about eating animals. It's more about what would your body like, and it's more about how are they treated when they're alive. So that's what you have to look at.
Thank you.
And if you want more, you guys can join my shamanic class. We'll have a whole talk about how this whole thing came, why non-veg, why are people eating non-veg. There's a whole history to it, but not for today. This class is like including everything. So right, wrong, good, bad, for all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. How to avoid. So Shanti ma'am, you can actually look at my previous YouTube videos. It's in the group description on WhatsApp. I have actually done a lot of calls on how to ask from the universe. How to avoid bad effects of bad emotions on our body. Don't be emotional. Control your emotions, or when you get emotions, start saying interesting point of view, I have this point of view. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view, so that it doesn't get solidified into the body. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view. Keep repeating those words as many times till you feel better. So everything that brought up and let down, right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So whatever invention you're using and choosing to separate yourself from you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, guys, so I have a foundation coming up next week. If anyone is interested in foundation, please reach out to me. I have a new shamanic batch starting from January 21st. If you want earth magic and change your life beyond anything else, get in touch with me. If you would like to do talk to the entities also coming in January, please get in touch with me. And talk to the animals is also coming. We're going to go to some place in the forest where we can actually meet elephants. So if that sounds interesting to you, please get in touch with me. By the way, I do everything. So anything else you would like, also do get in touch with me. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and girls. If you'd like to change your money realities, how to become money workbook is also coming. All this is coming. I'll be posting it on the groups. So please follow the groups. I don't actually individually broadcast. So please keep an eye on the groups if you're interested in any of these things. And let's include more of ourselves starting right now. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So I think on that note, we will stop a little earlier today, and I will see you guys next week. It's just 5 minutes early, not too early. So I give you back 5 minutes of time for you to do something. Include yourself in that. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you, ma'am. Gratitude, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.